Hi guys, Denise from Tilesporcelain Limited again, just to show you another one of our products that we've got here, which is on display on our wall. This is a black rose polished porcelain tile, black with a white marble effect going through it, as you can see. Absolutely so different and so popular. The shine on the black is really, really good. You can more or less see yourself in it. And these are 60/60 size. They're $19.99 a metre plus VAT. Lots of stock, only available in one size, 60/60. Again, as you can see, this is being used on a feature wall. They can be used on a wall and a floor, 10mm thick. So they're designed to withstand heavy traffic. We've just got a guy who's got a project ongoing at the minute who's putting these into a restaurant. So once these are actually finished in the restaurant, well, hopefully he's going to send us some photographs and these will be updated on the website so you can actually see them laid in a bigger view in a bigger area. But again, all in stock. www.tilesporcelain.co.uk 0191 429 0279.
Thank you.